Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to freeze location on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to freeze location on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and after opening your Snapchat app, this kind of interface will appear where at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is the map icon, or just beside the text or the message icon. Tap on that map icon, and on this interface you can see at the top right corner of the screen there is a settings or a gear icon. Tap on it, and over here you can see in order to freeze your location on this interface, first you can do is you can tap on the hide my live location button over here, and you can see when enable your friends can't see your live location. In a way your location will be frozen, and tap on until turned off for whenever you want to turn it on, or set the duration which you want. Tap on until turned off, and this way you can see you're still sharing your last active locations, which means that your location will be freezed on Snapchat. Let's tap on OK, and on the next step you can also try to choose the ghost mode, which is on the top. Tap on that, and again you can see your friends can see your location while you're in ghost mode. Tap on until turned off, and this way guys your location will be frozen and also will not be available for everyone to view. And this way guys you can freeze your location on Snapchat. And yeah guys, this is how to freeze your location on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.